The Napoleon PRO stainless steel brush, designed for before and after grilling, keeps grill clean to increase lifespan by removing corroding materials. It features 18 inches that provides good leverage for more powerful brushing without damaging the grids. The stainless steel bristles are to be used with stainless steel grids only, designed with a large head for quicker work and has a removable, replaceable head, and a metal scraper to deal with tough burnt-on spots. Designed for comfort, the durable handle is easy to clean and comes with a convenient bottle opener. Comes with an accessible hanger to attach to the grill for convenience. Start pre-grilling by brushing the grids back and forth. Turn over grids by using the Napoleon grid lifter and glove. It is important to remember to clean both sides of the grids. Turn the grids back over with Napoleon grid lifter and glove. After cooking while the grids are still hot, strongly use the brush again. Tackle tough spots using the scraper. The Napoleon PRO stainless steel brush.